Hello everyone. So, our topic is about the cloud migration for our master retail. So, let's start. Introduction to business scenario. So, Master Retail is a medium-sized fashion retailer in Kuala Lumpur. We operate physically outlets for over decade. So, a challenge after COVID-19. One is increased commerce competition and heavy reliance on a work in sales. We plan to launch a cloud-based commerce platform for scalability, reliability, and security. So challenge that we faced. First, we have limited customer reach, only physical outlets. So two, inability to handle with traffic spikes during promotions. Third, a high capital cost for on-premise IT. Four, it was a weak security booster. Five, operational inefficiency, manual process. So why cloud is the solution? So clouds provide scalability. This means auto scale resources during peak and off peak. Second, a high availability like SLS up to 99.99%. So performance CDN for a fast website response and security built in encryption, IAM or WAF or DDoS protection. So and cost efficiency like pay as you go. This mean this mean you pay for what you used. So Accompliance meets PDPA, Malaysia, and PCI DDS. Requirement analysis. So, scalability, it's handle flash sales, reliability 99.9%, uptime with multi availability zones, performance, it's like less than 3 second lead time and CDN support, security, TLS or MFA or WAF and AM, accompliance, PDPA and PCI and DSS adherence. Cost, it's gonna cost about from 5 to 1,000 ringgit monthly.
Now let's look at the deployment model. For MyStyle Retail, we recommend moving to the public cloud using providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. This option gives us elastic scalability, meaning the system can easily handle sudden spikes in customer traffic during the promotion or seasonal sales. It also ensures global reach with low latency, so customers across regions enjoy a fast shopping experience. The pay-as-you-go model significantly reduces upfront cost compared to maintaining on-premise infrastructure. However, we should also be aware of challenges such as the risk of vendor lock-in and the fact that resources are on a shared infrastructure requiring strong governance and security practices. Next, let us discuss the service model. We recommended adopting a SaaS e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, BigCommerce, or WooCommerce Cloud. These platforms provide quick deployment so MyStyle can launch its online store in weeks rather than months. They come with built-in e-commerce features, including payment gateway, product management, and customer engagement tools. Another advantage is the update is that patches are automatic, which reduces the burden on the IT team. The subscription-based pricing makes cost predictable. The main limitation is that customization options are somewhat restricted, and uptime is dependent on the service provided. But overall, this model is the most practical for my style needs. To conclude this section, our final justification is a combined approach. Public cloud for scalability, cost effectiveness, and global reach. SaaS for rapid development and ease of management. This strategy ensures that MyStar Retail can quickly establish a secure, scalable, and a complement e-commerce platforms while keeping costs manageable. More importantly, it prepares the company for the future, enabling smooth integration of AI-driven analytics, personalization, and omnichannel retail strategies as the business grows.
Here we see the proposed color architecture for my style retail's multi or AWS service. At the silent layer, customers will access the platform through web and mobile devices. A DN and a DNS service of Amazon CloudFront and Route 53 will ensure fast content delivery and reliable routing. The application layer is powered by EZ2 instancing with audio scaling and a load balancer which distributes traffic evenly and prevents downtime. For data, we use Amazon RDS in multi-AS deployment ensures reliability and automatic failover. Product images, customer files, and other media are stored in Amazon S3 for durability and cost influence. Security is integrated throughout the stack with WAF AAM and KMS citation while backups are handled through AWS backup and cleared to the insurance disaster recovery capability. This architecture delivers service clear benefits. First, scalability is a defined with auto-scaling and ZDN support, allowing MyStyle to handle sudden traffic surges during flash sales. Second, it provides a high reliability thanks to RDS, multi-AS development, and load balancing keeping service available with minimal downtime. That strong security is built in through IAM encryption and a web application firewall, which together safeguard customers' data and transactions. Fourth, the pay-as-you-go pricing model ensures cost efficiency, avoiding the heavy capital expensive on prices infrastructure. Finally, the architecture supports components with standards such as PDPA, PCI, DSS, and even GDPR. Postation might still retail as a trustworthy and feature-ready compliance brand.
AWS pricing collector with the Singapore region as it's the closest to Malaysia. The main services include are EC2 for compute, S3 for storage, RDS for database, and an application load balancer. The estimated monthly costs are approximately $38 for EC2, $5 for S3, and $96 for RDS, and $24 for the load balancer. This gives us the total estimated cost of about $164 per month to host the retail shop online. For security and compliance, I focused on key AWS services. I am with multi-factor authentication is used for source access control. KMS and SSL/TLS provide encryption for data at rest and in transit. AWS Wave and Shield protect against common threats and DDoS attacks. Regular automated backups are scheduled for RDS and S3 to ensure data recovery. Finally, compliance with PCI DSS for payment data and PDPA Malaysia for customer privacy ensures that the solution is aligned with industry regulations. Thank you.
So now we continue with conclusion. So moving my site to a cloud based on e-commerce platform is both necessary and timely. Right now, the company face problems like limited customer reach and high AI cost and security risk. So by using the public cloud, my site can scale easily and reduce cost and improve security and provide customer with a better shopping experience. So this change will not only help the business to competitive only for today, but it also can like prepare for the future with option to add advanced feature like analytic and AI also. I will also got some recommendation. So to make this cloud migration successful, we have like around four points to focus on. The first one is basic migration, like start with the basic like an online store and secure payment and customer management. And second one is training the staff. So they should train the staff uh, in cloud system and e-commerce to make sure that they they adapt and reduce resistance to change. So the third one we got like security. They like supposed to use tool like AWS and CloudWatch and GuardDuty to protect customer data and keep system safe. So the last one is disaster recovery. So we need to set up automated backups and cross to ensure the business keeps running even during the system cyber attack. So if they focus on the following in those steps, my style will be able to grow and protect its data and compete strongly in Malaysia's fast-growing e-commerce market. Thank you so much.